Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide your phone number on Telegram desktop using your PC. This is a great way to protect your privacy, so let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, click on the three lines in the top left corner of your screen to open the menu. From there, click on Settings. Next, go to Privacy and Security. In this section, look for the option called Phone Number and click on it. By default, it may be set to My Contacts, which means your contacts can see your number. To make your phone number private, select Nobody. This will ensure that no one can see your phone number on Telegram. After selecting it, click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Your phone number is now hidden on Telegram desktop, giving you more privacy and control over your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.